YouTube, Autumn Beckman here. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. My channel is all about luxury on a budget, so if you're into that sort of thing, please make sure you subscribe, click the bell notification icon to be notified when I post new videos, and be sure to like all of the videos that you enjoy. Today's video is kind of a follow-up to two other videos on two other channels. Those channels are Jill Maurer and Bobster92. They got together recently. They met up at the Ritz-Carlton and they filmed a few videos together. In one of those, they were unboxing some Louis Vuitton luggage tags that they were able to purchase. And that video is on Bobster92's channel. I will link it below. And then on Jill's channel, which I will also link below, they showed two ways to attach a luggage tag, Louis Vuitton luggage tag, to a bag. And while I was watching that, I thought of two other ways that I know of. So I wanted to do a video following up on that and show you my other two ways. I'm going to use this luggage tag as an example. This is the Louis Vuitton Teal luggage tag. I have an unboxing of this that I will link below too. The first way, which is the way that I use, it's really the only way that I use, is by attaching a little clip to the luggage tag, and that way it's so easy to take on and off. You don't have to unbuckle it every time you want to take it off. And with this particular strap, which is a pliable leather, it's not such a big deal to undo it and redo it. On a tag like this or on a vachetta tag, the more you undo the buckle and redo the buckle, the more wear you get on them. So I just like to try to keep it pristine, I guess. So I attach the clips, and I got both of these out so I could show you that they come in silver and in gold, and I will link these clips below. So if you're interested in ordering some, you can do that. So way number one for me to clip these bags is by adding a clip like this, and then it's just so easy to take them on and off. Now let me take the clip off and show you the second way that I know of to attach these to a bag. All right, I have the clip off, and like Bobster92 showed in Jill's video, when you attach the tag, you pull it all the way to the bottom, and then you take the leather strap, and there's the buckle, but there's also this other little metal piece. You slip that through, just that one metal piece, not the buckle yet, and bring it all the way down. Instead of going through the buckle like this, I'm going to twist the strap and put it in the other way so that it's backwards on one side and it looks like that. Now let me attach it to the bag and I'll show you why you might want to do it this way. Okay, this is the normal way to put the strap on, where it's facing forward. And with this particular strap, it actually works pretty well, again, because that leather is so pliable. But with a lot of these, when the strap is more of a firm, stiff leather, it will stick out to the side like this. If you attach it backwards, so let me redo that. If you attach the strap backwards like that, where instead of just looping around like this, it loops around more like a ribbon, that allows the tag to lay more flat against the bag. So instead of being off to the side like this, it falls naturally right down the front. And here it is compared to the luggage tab with a clip on it. So you can see the two options side by side. And these both lay very flat. They're both great options. Again, my preference is the clip because it puts less stress on the strap. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to check out Jill and Bobby's video linked below, and I also have the link for the clips if you're interested in that. Have a fantastic day. Bye.